Hey everyone, I wanted to go through the Misty with the Tritone Sub. As I mentioned, I forgot it in the last video. You can watch that first harmonization of the first three notes of Misty at the link below in the description, so you can catch up on this one. But what I'm going to do in this one, I'm going to add to the progression of the three notes, I'm going to add the Tritone Substitution, which in this case, we're in the key of E flat. It's going to be E plus 7, sharp 9. So E augmented 7, sharp 9. And I'll go through and I'll play the entire thing. You remember that in the last video we preceded the dominant chord, the dominant 7 suspended chord, with a major chord above that. So in that case we push the harmony a little bit. Because this is the melody note, we can actually move up a half step from B flat 7 sus to, and as I mentioned, I'm going to mention actually that you can take these top 5 notes, and I'll give you some ideas of instrumentation afterwards, and we'll go through that. But let's just go through the harmony right now. B flat 7 or B flat 9, major 9, and then what we did was we moved and we suspended, kind of delayed the resolution of the 5/7 chord with a suspended chord, B flat 7. Now in this case, I'm not playing the G, as you can see, because I want to save that for the melody note. So I'm moving these instruments from, so they have a little bit of a line of each of them. Okay, from there, we move to B flat 7. We actually go to a more tense chord, B flat 7, sharp 9, or no, flat 9, sharp 11. And there's when the melody note's on G, so I wanted to save that G there. Now here's where the tritone sub comes in. A tritone sub is actually a tritone away from B flat, actually delaying the resolution of the, I guess in this case we're delaying the resolution of the delay of the resolution, because we're going to move from E flat 7 or B flat 7, flat 9, sharp 11 to E plus 7, sharp 9. Okay, if you want to keep the 5 notes, you could probably put an E right there to keep 5, like 5 saxes or whatever that you're writing for. Okay, and then as you remember that we delayed the resolution of the E flat major 7 chord, E flat major 9 chord, with a D over E flat. Okay, so that was basically in a nutshell what we did in the last video. In this case, I'm going to play the whole thing for you. In the last video, we got up to everything except that tritone substitution. So here it is, B flat, I'll go through it slow and then I'll play it for you. B flat major 9, B flat 7 sus, B flat 7, flat 9, sharp 11. There's the melody, E plus 7, sharp 9, D over E flat, major 9. Okay, so in this case, you could write this for 5 saxes with the bass player playing the bass notes. Or you could write it for a 6-piece, let's say you had 6 horn players, maybe 2 trumpets, alto, tenor, trombone, and bari sax, something like that. Or you could do it within a big band. You could take certain, maybe I would double up, this would be the trumpet player, or 2 trumpet players, maybe one even in a mute and the other not in a mute. So really, it's up to you. But the point I'm trying to make is that you can, this is not just at the piano, this is actually can be voiced out for instruments, and it would sound pretty good. So here's the whole thing, and I'll try to play this for you, and you can watch it on the screen as we go. One more time. Okay, so that gives you an idea of just taking 3 notes at the beginning of a tune and reharmonizing that. Obviously, you'd have to reharmonize and make nice lines throughout the rest of it, but this could be maybe a sax solo, or soli, I should say, or as I mentioned, you know, choose players out of the big band and do some cross-section writing with that, this type of thing. So that's all for today. I hope that wrapped up that last video, and it all makes sense to you. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. And if you like what you see here, just like the video and subscribe if you'd like. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon.